From the start of the First World War, X-ray machines were used in many military hospitals, but there were several developments throughout the war. More X-ray machines were made and improved. In 1914, X-ray machines were large and heavy, so smaller, mobile units were developed which could be taken closer to the front line. Use of X-rays was not widespread before the war. So far, more people were trained to operate machines, and huge numbers of doctors, nurses, and surgeons learned how to read the X-ray images. Medical staff could soon diagnose fractures and broken bones and accurately locate shrapnel and bullets, which therefore helped these to be successfully removed during surgery. Surgeons soon also became experienced at knowing what X-rays did not show. For example, some objects such as soil or cloth would not show up on X-rays, but surgeons knew to look for these close to where bullets or shrapnel was located during operations. More was learned about the damage that X-rays can cause to those exposed frequently. From 1915, screens, gloves, and aprons were used to protect people. X-ray machines saved the lives of hundreds of thousands of wounded soldiers throughout the war. They would become commonly used in hospitals in Britain afterwards.